Today I want to share a new AI tool that you can use to really jazz up graphics for your PowerPoint presentations and probably lots of other things. Here is a basic slide that I have, 3 keys to a successful LinkedIn content strategy. Very, very basic. Like, this needs to be jazzed up, but I'm not a graphic designer. So here's what I can do. I can copy this, head over to Napkin AI. As far as I can tell, it's a completely free tool. Tell it to create a new napkin. I'm going to paste the headline. I'm going to paste in these 3 points. That's all I'm going to give it. Okay, no other context. I'm going to highlight everything, click the blue generate visual button, and all of a sudden it's generated different versions of graphics, different styles, different colors that I could use for that slide. And as you can see, these are much more engaging, much more impactful than just having a slide with 3 or 4 bullets, right? So let's say that I kind of like this first one. You can go in and further style it. You can customize this, both the copy, the colors, you name it. But just for the sake of this demo, I'm going to be really simple. Let's say that I'm happy with this. I can download this as a PNG. And now, instead of this, I'm going to go and insert picture. And as you can see, this is a much more engaging slide than just a couple of bullet points. So Napkin AI, give that a try. I'm sure there's a lot of things that you can do to customize it further. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it.